Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Best IT Solution to all of you again. So today we'll discuss a new topic that is how to send OTP to mobile in Spring Boot. So in previous tutorial I have discussed how we can send OTP to mail, and also I have created a video for a complete registration by using the mail OTP verification. And in this tutorial I will see you how we can send the OTP to mobile in Spring Boot app by using the Twilio app. Okay. So these are the steps. So sending OTP to mobile in Spring Boot. So these are all the steps. So just you need to follow these steps one by one, and we'll do the practical. So just your first step is create a Spring Boot project, and the technology used are the Maven, Java 11, Spring Boot 2.7.17. You can use any version, no issue. According to you need to change the Java version also. If you use the 3 point version Spring Boot, then you need to use Java 11, Java 17, and the Postman, and we need to add the dependency of Spring Wave and the Twilio dependency. Okay. So if you Twilio dependency may not be available in the start.spring.io, so you need to add from manually from the Maven repository. So just I am going to create the project quickly. Okay, so just go to the start.spring.io, and our project is our build tool Maven Java, version is 2.7.17, and the project name is com.tarun, and the project name is artifact means project name. So send OTP to mobile or phone, OTP to phone. Name send OTP to phone. Okay, description is demo project for sending OTP to mobile phone. Okay, and package name is com.tarun. This is the base package. Okay, packaging is type is jar, and the Java version is 11. I am going to use here, and the dependency you need to add like the wave, and the second one is the Twilio. Just search for Twilio. Twilio dependency is not available. Okay, we'll add manually from the Maven repository. Okay, just click on generate the project. Yes, so our project has generated in this folder, this one zip file. So just extract all, extract. Yes, so we got the project structure. We need to import this project in the Spring tool suite. Okay, so right click in here, import existing, select on existing Maven project, browse, just go to that here exact location where the project has. Yes, so this is the project. Select that project and select finish. So you can see here the project is importing Maven project. So it is depending upon your internet speed, how much time it will take to download the project from the Maven. Okay, so building market. Okay, so project, we got the project, send OTP to phone. So just go to the pom.xml. Yes, so this is the Java Spring Boot version. This is the Java version, and this is the starter web. We need to add the Twilio dependency for sending OTP to mail. Okay, so these are the Twilio dependency. You can I have already downloaded before. You can get it from the Maven repository. Okay, so in dependency section, just paste here. Okay, this is the Twilio dependency. Okay, just save it. It will downloading the required files. So now our project is ready. So our first step one is completed. We have created the successfully project Spring Boot project. Okay. The second is set up the application properties file. Now we need to set up the application properties file. Okay. So these are the things we need to add in application properties file. I am just copying first. Then I will describe. Okay. So go to the resource application properties and just paste here. So these are the Twilio account SID and just Twilio auth token and Twilio phone number. So these things you will get from the Twilio app. So how we will get this SID and auth token and Twilio phone number? So just go to that Twilio dashboard. You need to first create an account in Twilio. Then after login, you can see this type of a dashboard here. Okay. So hello Tarun, welcome to Twilio. Okay. So you can get from this. Yes. So this is the account SID. So this SID you need to copy here and paste in this Twilio.account SID, and this is the auth token for authentication things. Yes, so auth token you will also get from this Twilio app. You can see here this is the auth token and the Twilio phone number. So you from which phone number you want to send the message. So I have added that phone number also here. Yes, this is the phone number. So you can also create a new phone number, like you can also buy phone number. So in phone number section you can get here phone numbers and the manage. Okay, so active numbers, buy numbers. You can see here there are so much numbers are there for sender, because from phone you cannot send message directly. So you need to buy this number. So which number you choose, that number you need to buy from here, and that will be deducted from your trial. This is a trial account, and now it is $12. It is available if you will buy the number. Suppose you want to buy this number, then $1.15 will deducted from your trial account. Okay, so since I buy this number, that will be deducted from my account, the amount. Otherwise, when you will first time you will create this Twilio account, it will provide you the $15 amount for the trial period. Once that $15 you have completed, then you need to buy the buy some other amount for sending the SMS. So these are the sender mobile number. Okay, and for the another thing is for receiver mobile number, you need to add that number here also, verified in verified caller ID sections. So add new caller ID. Say I have added this number and these two numbers, so I can send message these two numbers only. So in Twilio, before you send the message to any mobile number, you need to add that mobile number first. And when you will add that mobile number, and OTP will also go that mobile number, and then only that mobile will here add. So how you will add that mobile number? So just in verified caller ID section, just click on that add a new caller ID, and here you need to set that India. Yes, this one, and then a mobile number, then verify number, OTP will go to that number, and after submit that OTP it will added. Okay, so I will show you during the testing of after completing the application. Now first I will send OTP to this number, then I will try to send a new number, it will not allow, then I will add that number and again I will send. Okay. So our application properties is set. So step 2 is completed. Next, the third step is create a controller class. Okay, so just go to the application and I am going to create a controller here. So this is our base package. From here I will start the creating the other package. So to phone dot controller. Inside controller I am going to create a class. A controller has created. So this is the home controller. So any controller name you can give. Okay, this is the home controller. Finish. Just annotated with controllers. You want to do a controller. Import the controller from org that is spring from a stereotype. Okay, I am just going to create a test API. So public string, suppose this is home return welcome to springboot project for sending OTP to mobile. Okay, so create a get mapping for that at the rate get mapping. Okay, and the URL is slash default URL. So since I am only I am creating the REST API, so make it REST controller instead of simple controller. So make it REST controller. It will much better. So just delete this unused import controller and just save it and run the application for testing this API. Run a Spring Boot app. Yes, you can see here application started, Tomcat started port 8080. Just go to the browser or Postman. From here, anywhere you can test. Just go to the Postman and create a new endpoint for localhost /8080 slash send. Yes, you can see we got the output. Welcome to Spring Boot project for sending OTP to mobile. Okay, that means our project has created successfully and controller the testing API is also executing properly. Okay, so our second API, a second step is also completed, and the third one is the creating the configuration file. So we need to create a configuration file for the twilio configuration. We need to do here. So just go to that project and create a package here like configuration, new package dot configuration. Okay, and inside that configuration package I am going to create a class that is OTP twilio configuration. Finish. And in configuration just annotate with this one with @configuration. Yes, this one. And in configuration we need to so in configuration class we need to mention the configuration details. And one thing is in configuration also we need to annotate with these things with the uh, at the rate configuration properties. On annotation we need to mention here like at the rate configuration properties. Yes, at the rate configuration and properties, and in a we need to pass the par prefix as the argument. Prefix equal to twilio, twilio. Okay, and another one is the parameter we need to pass here like private string account SID, which whatever we have created in the application properties file, account SID, account auth token, phone number, all these you need to pass here like in configuration account SID private string account SID, another one is private string auth token. Okay, private string phone number. Private string phone number. Okay, also we need to see, since we have not added the lombok, so just create the getter and setter and to string. Okay, just create just go to the source, and if lombok has added, just you will write the annotation added data, it will okay. Since we have not added lombok, just create the generate getters and setters. And also create the toString method. Constructor using field and always default constructor. Source and it's on the default constructor. Okay, generate. Okay, save. So now our configuration class is ready. Okay. So our second step is also completed. Third step is also completed. Set up application properties, create controller class. Okay. The fourth create configuration file also. Then create a service class. So we need to create that service class also. So before writing the service class, we need to create the controller for sending the OTP. Okay. So create the controller for sending the OTP public string. Suppose this send OTP public string send OTP, and in this send OTP we need to pass the parameter. Suppose at the rate request param is at the rate request param, and we need to pass the parameter like string. So which number we are going to pass that OTP? So we need to pass the suppose string message and string OTP. Just import the request param. Then return. Now we need to create the with the help of the service class only. Suppose OTP. So first we need to create that service class. First create a package for service. Okay, and in the service package create a class like OTP service. Okay, now this is the mention with the annotation service, and we need to create the auto add this service object in the controller class. So private OTP service. Just import OTP service from the send OTP phone at the rate auto add. Private OTP service, OTP service. Okay. So now return OTP service. Yes, OTP service dot send OTP to phone, and we need to pass that parameter like the message and the thing is not OTP. We just need to pass that phone number, to which phone number I am going to send the message. This phone number I need to use here, message and phone number. So this is the receiver number. Okay, receiver phone number. So just create a class here in OTP service. Okay. So in OTP service, we need to write the logic for sending the OTP. Okay. So here also we need to auto add this twilio configuration, that is private and sorry, not here. Inside the OTP service, first add the private or configuration class is OTP twilio configuration. So OTP twilio configuration. Okay, so this is our configuration class. Just import OTP twilio configuration. twilio GURA. Just copy this one. Okay. Now just import this OTP configuration from the. Okay. So with the help of this object, we are going to send the OTP. Okay. Now also in auto add, this one auto add. Sorry. Yes. Another thing, we need to create a map for storing the OTP. So map of string. Okay. Then this is a OTP map equal to new smap string. Okay. Just import this map from Java util and hash map also from the Java util. Okay. Now the map is created for storing the OTP. Now we need to write the logic for sending the OTP. Okay. So also we need to generate the OTP also. So we have all the message and the phone number. So now just a string OTP generate OTP string OTP equal to, just call that generate OTP. Okay, so this is the code for generate OTP. Simply we can create OTP by using this code. Okay, so int OTP math.random int this is the type number, how many code you want to generate, then the return string.otp string.format, and this is the format. In this way we can generate this OTP. Okay. Okay, so this is the OTP has generated. Now we will use this OTP for sending the message. Okay, so message equal to message dot creator, message dot one method is creator. Okay, message dot creator, and we need to pass the recipient phone number and the sender phone number and the OTP message. Okay, so what would pass the phone number and the message. Okay, message dot creator two. That two means recipient phone number. So this is the phone number whatever you have received from the argument. This is the phone number and the from phone number will get from the twilio and the OTP message. So OTP body, suppose here OTP is, so you can send, or you can do one thing, you can write here first a OTP message. String body, message body equal to your one time password is, okay, one time password is so your on time password is plus OTP. What was OTP generated? This is your one time password. It will send to as a message body. Okay, so this is the message body. This is the message body. And this sender phone number you will get from the twilio config.get number. Okay, so from this twilio config object, we see, okay, okay, so we can do one thing. First you need to set all this thing. Okay, so suppose string, suppose phone number, recipient phone number, equal to new phone number receiver phone number, or we need to pass that phone number directly here, phone number. Okay, you can write here the mobile number also, you can mention mobile number, so you need to pass that mobile number here, otherwise it may create confusion. Okay, so with this, okay, and this, so we need to pass also message also from the, if you want to pass the message body then you can directly copy that message body from here. So if you don't want to pass the message body from the, okay, so this message body, okay, so message body is also gonna come from this. OTP, generate OTP and the message body. Okay, so that means we need not to pass the message body, only mobile number is correct. Since we are passing the message body from the here only, with controller also just remove this message. we need not to want to receive this message body from the user. It's only mobile number will receive. Suppose make it mobile number. Okay. So this mobile number we are passing to the service. Okay. And in service, mobile number is coming and OTP generated. Phone number is recipient phone number, new phone number, mobile number, and and another thing is suppose the sender mobile number. This is the recipient, this is the sender phone number. Sender phone number, new phone number, and it will from this configuration file it will fetch that phone number dot get phone number. Okay. String generate OTP, string mobile number, this is one. This is this mobile number we need to pass here. Okay. And we need to import this phone number. So phone number we import phone number from control.twilio.rex v1 v2. Just import this phone number from the com.twilio.type. Okay, so our phone number is imported. So this is our message from this twilio.res.api.v2010.account.message and the phone number is from the twilio.type.phone number. So now already message body is also ready. Your on-time password is OTP. Okay. So we need to pass all these things to the. So this is the receiver phone number. So this is the recipient phone number. Just copy it and paste the recipient phone number here. And then we need to pass the sender phone number. This is the sender phone number. And then we need to pass the message body. Okay. Message. Okay. Change type of message to message creator. Message dot creator. Okay, so message dot creator. This message equal to this type cannot convert from message creator to message on type fix. Then just dot create. So you need to fix that. That means you need to create. Okay, dot create. Okay, now this error is gone. Okay, so now you got the message now finally. And in the OTP we need to put in the map also. So OTP map dot put. So the key is suppose the value is the OTP. Okay, so value you need to pass the OTP. OTP, and the message you can pass like if you have the username or some message also you can pass, message body also you can pass in the OTP. Okay, your one time password is OTP dot put message body and the OTP. Okay, so this is the, or you can pass also the username or any name also you can pass, then return OTP sent successfully. Sorry, OTP sent successfully. Okay. So our service is ready, just save it, configuration is ready and control is ready, prompt example is ready. Okay, so just go to the document and create a controller has completed, create a configuration file, service file, and finally after running successfully test it in Postman. So just go run it, just run the application. Okay, this one application, also stop the previous any execution and then run a spring boot up. Yes, so our application has started successfully in port 8080. Just go to the Postman and hit this. Okay, you need to create a mapping for that. Sorry, so create the post mapping and the URL is slash send OTP. Okay, so just run it again. Now in from the Postman just hit this URL. So just go to the Postman, first test it is working or not. Yes, okay, create a post API, post localhost colon send OTP. In body form data you need to pass that. What will pass? You need to pass the mobile number. Okay, so this is the mobile number and suppose this is the my number. Okay, 007754. Just send the OTP. What happened? Term card started put at 00. Just go to the Postman, post localhost, sorry, send OTP. Sorry, 8080 slash, my mistake, send OTP. You can see here we got the error, like what is the error, just check in the console. Twilio REST client was used before account SID and auth set. Please call twilio.init. So the error here showing is Twilio REST client was used before account SID and auth token were set. Please call twilio.init. So one thing actually we are missing here, like we need to call the twilio.init method before the application is started. Okay. Otherwise the Twilio configuration will not able to fetch from the application.properties file. So we need to set that init method. Okay. So just go to the our main application main file. This is our main application file, that is send OTP to mobile phone application, and here we need to add the init method of the twilio to fetch the data from the application dot properties, and the account SID and auth token you need to set here. Okay, so just go to the I have already written this code. Okay, just copy the code here and paste here. Remember, this thing need to paste in our main file. Okay, so what we have done here, you can see I have auto add this the configuration file, OTP twilio configuration. OTP twilio configuration created the object using the @ auto add dependency injection, and this is a post construct. So we have used the post construct public void setup twilio.init. Okay, so this method you need to set here. So twilio.init OTP twilio configuration.get account SID and OTP twilio configuration.get account get auth token. So we need to pass these two values. One is the SID and the auth token. This SID and this auth token we need to pass to the main file by which it can authenticate. Otherwise, you can show authentication exception. It is showing error. So it is showing the authentication exception. Yes. So now I have added this, and annotated with this post constructor, and the dependency also imported, like the one is the twilio, another one is the post OTP configuration, another one is the post constructor. Okay, Java has got annotation post constructor. Okay, so just save it and relearn the application again. Okay, so I think this is the main issue for that init method, because we have not added this one. So we have also I need to write here the before run the application. I need to add another step, like create add init twilio init method to main file. Okay, so we need to add that twilio init method to the main file to set up the application account SID and the authentication token it will set. Okay, so our application is started. Now just go to the postman and first just check it is running or not properly. Yes, welcome to Springboot project for sending OTP mobile, and then just send that post URL by passing the data mobile number. Okay, send. The error is coming, like you can see here. The error is 2 number 700 is not a valid phone number. It is showing that this number is a valid phone number. So just check in twilio this number is added or not. Yes, I have already added this number in twilio. Just refresh it. And just copy the number from here and paste there. I think the error is I have not added this +91. Okay, so just paste here directly. +91 you need to mention. This is the format actually. In this way you can pass the parameter +91 and the mobile number. Send. Yes, OTP sent successful. Check in also. I have yes, I got the. Now you can see here I have connected my mobile with the laptop. So for this I am getting the OTP here also. Send from, you can see here the message is send from a twilio trial account. Your one-time password is 511351. So what we have set here in code, you can see we have set the service class. Your one time password is OTP. You can also add some another message also, your one time password, your OTP, your one time password. Suppose I am added something OTP. Okay, so just save it and run the application. Again I am showing you by running the same. So send OTP. OTP sent successful. Just wait. OTP will come to this number. Yes, sent from your twilio trial account. Your OTP is yes. This is just coming. Recently, this message has come. Okay, we can see here also the time. So in this way you can send the message to any mobile number, or if you want to send any OTP to any new number, then also you can add this number here. Just go to the twilio account and here in phone number section. So first refresh your dashboard, suppose. So this is the twilio home page. Okay. So here this is the SID, this is the auth token, which one I here from I am copied this one and I have pasted in application.properties file. So for adding the new number, you can go to the phone number section, and in phone number section there is a manage. In manage, buy, you can buy the sender number, which from which number you want to send the OTP, and this is the verify caller ID section. In verify caller ID section, to which number you want to pass the OTP, you should register that number here. Okay, so suppose add a new caller ID and any number you can set here, like you need to set here first the country code, and so I am sending my another number, so verify this number. Okay, so in this way you can add yes, I got the OTP or twilio verification code is 075869. You can see, we can also show here. Okay, so just 213 this message I have got. The twilio verification code is, this is not one time password, it is twilio verification code. After that verification you can send the message also to this number. So verify this number 964496. By giving this verification code, you need to verify that number we are sending the SMS. Submit. Yes, you can see here you have successfully verified 9479040. Okay, that means your number has successfully verified now. Now you can send this number OTP to this number also. Just go to the postman and copy this number here, paste here. Okay, so send. Yes, so OTP sent successful. Okay, so in this way you can send OTP to any mobile number by using the twilio in Spring Boot. So another thing is now how we can verify the OTP which is we are sending, this OTP is correct or not. We need to verify this number also. So for that we need to write another controller. So just go to the controller and quickly I am writing one controller for verifying the OTP. So for validating, just I am copying this one and I am going to create another method for validating. Post mapping, the verify OTP. This one is verify OTP string, send OTP request from string. So you need to pass the here the OTP, and this is verify OTP. Verify OTP method, OTP service dot validate OTP, and we need to send this OTP. Okay. So now we need to create this validate OTP method in our OTP service. So string validate OTP. So from we need to paste the OTP from the map, because our previous OTP is in a map, we store in map, this map, and from this map method we can get the OTP. Okay. So if map, what is that? OTP map. OTP map dot update key, message key, OTP object key. Get key. Okay, so I have created this method in service class. Now I am going to create the create logic for the validate OTP. Okay, so our OTP is stored in the OTP map. So in this OTP map already our OTP is stored in map dot in value section. Okay, so we need to fetch that value. So first I am going to create a set here. So set of string set equal to a new asset. New asset. Okay, so I've created a set first. Just import this set. Or directly also we can instead of creating the set, directly can create the map also, key set also here. So set of string the keys, suppose the keys equal to OTP map, or map is OTP map dot get keys, or key set. I'm between the key set. Okay. So I prepared a key set here, and from that key set I will fetch one by one key. For string key colon keys, yes, so this keys, set of keys. OTP map dot key set keys. Okay, so this is the keys, and we are also creating a variable for the value storing string value equal to variable. First just assign null to the value, then I will fetch the value. So value equal to key dot get value, OTP map dot get key, sorry, value equal to OTP map dot get key. Okay, so value will now store in this the key will be fetch the value and value will store this value variable. Okay, now just I am checking this value and this OTP which we have passed is same or not. So if, sorry, so if value dot equals the OTP, then return OTP validated successfully. Else return invalid OTP. Okay, so just delete this return statement. Okay, so simply logic like the first we have stored the OTP in the OTP map, OTP.put message body and the OTP. Then just from the OTP map we are fetching, we have created key set. OTP key set by calling the key set method. We have created a set of keys, and from these keys we have just running a for loop string key colon keys value equal to OTP map dot get key. That means we are getting the this OTP in this value variable. Now we are comparing if the OTP of map and the whatever OTP we have passed here is same, if equals to OTP, then OTP valid successful, otherwise the invalid OTP. Okay, so simply this logic I have written here. So just save it and relaunch the application and test it in Postman. Yes, you can see already our application has started input 8080. So go to the URL and first check it. Application is running successfully. Yes, just send the OTP. Send. So yes, OTP sent successful. We have got the OTP. Yes, so our OTP has got we got 747928. So now create another post API for validating the OTP. So post yes, verify OTP and body, pass the data here, body form data. So here what we pass the OTP. Just check it in our controller, and controller receive the OTP. Okay. So in Postman pass the OTP, and the OTP is whatever OTP we got. So our last OTP we got here is 747928. This one 747928. Just paste this OTP here. 747928. Send. So you can see we got the output as 200 success, OTP validated successfully. And if we will pass any wrong OTP, suppose we pass here instead of 8 we pass here another 2 and send. So invalid OTP, that means the OTP is not validated, and only valid OTP will only it will verify. So just check on once more. So send OTP sent successful. Just go to the validate OTP API and write the OTP. Yes, we got the OTP 157731. 157731. Yes, 15. Just open that OTP, invalid OTP showing it is 747928. This one. 747928. Yes. So this is the last page. This one 747928 OTP validated successfully. Okay. So in this way we can validate the OTP also. So our steps are like, yes. So this is the verify OTP and this is the service class, and we need to add this post constructor, that is the we need to initialize the method. This is the properties file and this is the controller verify OTP and send OTP, and this is the configuration and whatever configuration we have added, and this is the OTP service. So this is the for generate OTP and these are for the, so you can write any logic by yourself also. You can pass your username. So I'll create another video for complete user registration of this with the help of this OTP, and we'll store this OTP in database also. Okay, so I have written this logic by myself. You can build your logic also. Okay, and our steps are like check the receiver mobile OTP, then verify the OTP. Okay, so our last step is the verify the OTP, it's correct or not. So that means the value is OTP is successful. So last step is end. Okay, so thank you guys this much in this video tutorial, and if you think that you have got some knowledge from this video, please like and share the video with your friends, and please subscribe the channel, by which I can motivate myself and I can make more and more video regarding this topic. And if you have any doubt, please ask questions in comment section, and my suggestion is do by yourself in practical, because if you only watch this video, it will look like very easy, but once you will start the practical, then only you will face the actual problems or issue. So if you face any issue or difficult, please let me in comment section. I will definitely try to resolve your issue. Okay, so thank you guys.